Hello little programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. So now we are going to learn about how to design, how to style our web page. Okay, so what we are doing is till now we saw how to add the bold font to the web page font and italic style for our web fonts. So now we will see how to add the styles like background color, background image, font colors, adding the border, padding, margins, height, width. So you using these all the styles you can design your web page. All right. So for that styling and all we use CSS. So what is mean by CSS? CSS stands for cascading style sheets. So we use CSS because to it how describes the HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper or in any other media. So CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Okay, so now let's start. So how to style the web page? So now what I'm doing is I am adding the style tag in the HTML file. So come in the heading section, you have to add the style tag, style, and then where you would like to add the styles to your web page's body or to the heading 1, heading 2 or the paragraphs. So where you have to add the styles, so that element you have to mention first. So now I would like to color my background. Okay, so now I'm using the body and open the flower braces. Inside the flower brace I'm applying the style for my background color. Okay, body is background color. So now I am changing it to light blue and ends with a semicolon. So here the syntax of this style is, see what where you would like to add the style, I mean where you want to do the changes, that element you have to mention first, that is body, right? So that element you have to select. It means the HTML page is understanding that only to the body it is applying the background color. Okay, so it is only selecting the body. So this we call it as element selector. Okay, now let's see how it changes. So save this file and control open, just right click on this and open. Okay, you can see this, it is blank. Why it is blank? Why there is nothing elements are visible, not even the headings and anything. Why? Because I forgot to close this style tag. If you forget to close the style tag, it will not display any changes, only any elements. So now go to your web page and refresh the page. Yes, now you can see your all the elements, right? And also you can observe here the background color is changed to light blue. All right, and now if I want to add the if I want to do the changes to my paragraph. Okay, so paragraph, open the flower braces, change the color font. So font's color, if you want to change, just type their color and make it red. Save, then go to your web page, refresh. Yes, now your paragraph content is changed to the red color fonts, right? So this is how you can change the background color or font color using the particular element. Okay, so this we call it as the element selector. All right, now if I use the class selector, so I can mention here the class name. So for the H1 I'm using the class. So what is this class and why do we use? The class selector selects HTML elements with a specific class attribute. So instead of using the H1, also you can mention as 1. Okay, and class name is 1. I have initialized the class name 1. Now I will use dot 1. So why I'm using the dot operator here? So it selects with a specific class and it will be followed by the class name. So dot operator and the class name, if you mention here, it selects the H1, heading 1. So what I'm doing is I'm changing again the color of the font. So again I'm changing it to green. Do not use the upper cases for the style. Now let's go refresh your page. You can see here the heading 1 color is changed to green color. Font size is changed to green color. Right now, if you want to add a particular, if you want to change the background color also, you can change it background color, and I'm changing it to blue. Semicolon. Do not forget the semicolon. It will give you the error. Yes, you can see here the background color for the heading 1 is changed to the blue color, right? So like this, it is selecting that particular element and it is applying the changes. Okay, now, so now we will see this changes, this styling we call it as the